guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaph, more popularly known as Shaph Sassy, owner and founder of Sooo Sassy Makeup and PMU Studios, as well as Sassy University Jamaica's very first 7-day lash class. I have
Girl, a promo. What you mean?
Yeah,
I forget it out.
Yeah, right. Here I have three beautiful ladies with me. We are all makeup artists, and Shendy here and I are lash techs. Today we are going to be talking about makeup artists' pet peeves. Now that is something that it's a touchy topic, but we're going to dive in today just for entertainment purposes, and also so you as customers can learn as well and know what we don't like, so you don't have to provoke us.
Nice. Amen.
Nice. If you guys are new, welcome. This is part 1 of this series, and part 2 will be on one of us.
Just check the description box.
Just check the description box. And we're going to probably put it up in 4 pieces so everybody can, get a piece of the pie. So we're very excited. Chevelle, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I am Chevelle. Y'all know me as Beautiful Beginnings. If you don't know, I am a Jamaican makeup artist. Chef just said.
Right.
Wait, you put together something CEO and founder of Beautiful Beginnings Artistry.
And she also has a bridal.
Yes, and I have a bridal accessory page. I do everything for brides, whatever you need for your wedding day, garters, tiaras, all that stuff. So it's Beautiful Beginnings Bridal for that page as well.
Alright, so I'll be putting her information up here to a bully space. Shendy, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi guys!
Wow, I never know if you hear the high pitch there? I was like, she could get that low. I was so shocked.
Okay, so I am Shendy. Most people know me as Makeup Shendy or just Shendy. I'm a makeup artist and a lash extension artist / lash extension educator. Yeah, so just stay tuned and check out our pet peeves and stuff.
Alright. Daniel?
Hey everybody, I am Daniela Moore. I am a makeup artist. You can follow me on Instagram at Daniela Moore Beauty, and you can follow me here or subscribe to my YouTube at Amore Lifestyle.
No, I'm not going to upload YouTube channel, buddy.
You never remember what that?
Oh, my YouTube is Beautiful Beginnings.
Right,
Shendy.
Right.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so
Daniel.
Daniel said you.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Which is good. Alright guys, so ensure that you subscribe to all of our channels and hit the description.
What's that say?
Extra
Notification bell.
See?
Yes.
She's catching on, okay? Alright guys, so let's jump right in. Alright, so who wants to? You?
I just need you to start, man.
More savage, just so easy.
More savage.
Just so easy.
But then no,
Just go easy with the people.
yeah, me different. Yeah, I don't really know of yeah, but one makeup pet peeve that I hate is when I'm trying to do a client's eyeshadow, and even though you're supposed to be looking down, you're supposed to be looking down, them I look down in them phone, them head down. So
You have to keep on it.
yeah, hello.
Yeah, or you say, close your eyes, I'm about to do your eyeshadow, and every time you touch the eyes and you move the brush, them open them eyes.
Yeah.
And you have to say, no, keep your eyes closed, you touch them eye, them open it. As you move your hand, them open them eyes.
Yeah.
No, I have a client who's like this. When you
Instead
have
of
one
just
eye,
pinching
she have
one
to
another,
the other one.
Put them on the
Yeah,
hand,
like
them
what
want
I'm
exactly where they're on the shadow. It's so weird, like, I don't want your
Yeah, because let me tell you what happened, guys. Sometimes you put the primer or the concealer, and when you keep opening your eyes, it creases. So that's why when you keep your eyes closed, it don't get so much crease.
Right. You need a flawless base.
Right.
So once you start, it can't really fix. It's not like you can go and fix it because you already start applying the eyeshadow. Or if you're doing a cut crease and you already cut the crease now, then open them eyes, the whole lot of cut crease mess up.
Guys,
and you know how cut crease hard to do.
Closing the eye.
Yeah. Just closing the eyes.
Closing the eye, please.
Yeah. That's stress to you.
We're not doing nothing when they're closing the eye, but doing the face. Just closing the eye, please.
Yeah, when I close eye time, I close eye time. Yeah. When we say open now, only can open. But at some point in time, in order to put the shadow on your eyes, it can't open.
Another thing, when they say open the eye, look up. Not a look up.
No,
look up, them drop the head back.
You said them look up.
I said look up with your eyes.
Oh my God, do them eye. Look up with the eyes. Sis, I want you to look up.
Just make your head stay the same place
and look up. Right.
It's just movement. Like your head don't need to move while you're doing the makeup services. Either you look up or you look down. It's not up or down.
No, I sometimes want for them to look up because I want to get underneath here.
But when you reach this a foundation.
Yeah, but when we talk about the eyes, it's a simple look up or look down.
Right.
He said look down with your eyes. I see her something.
Do you guys wipe your client's face before?
Yes,
prior to the makeup? Yeah.
Definitely.
But no, it depends. It depends. Because if I'm doing a house call and the client come out to the show and say they put specific stuff on their face,
on them,
then I know what.
Yeah, if they come with moisturizer, you know, you're not gonna wipe it off. But generally, I spray a face sanitizer first, and then I clean the face.
Yeah, man. And once they come in to you, I always cleanse the face first and then tone the face and then go about business into the makeup. But if it's a house call and them fresh out the show and them say, okay, I just wash my face.
And you know, so
then
I'm working out big when them just bathe me, I was like, take up the water while them face.
But sometimes they say, hey, I put on my specific moisturizer already. So you don't really want to wipe that off. So it depends.
I was gonna say something here like you guys ever have clients come with makeup on their face?
Yeah. Oh God.
For you to wipe it off.
No guys, don't come with the makeup on your face. Like you're coming to get the makeup done. There's really no need for you to come with the makeup on your face. Like, we could have saved the wipes there.
And wipes very expensive.
But it's the thing, I think some persons who come to the makeup, they are already on the road. Yeah. Like for the whole day or whatever, so them do the makeup face go on the road. Okay. And then they come with the makeup.
But God, it's still, if I'm going to get my makeup service done, I'm not going to the makeup to go on the road to go get my face done.
Yeah, some people
don't really want them skin out the road. So can't see with them on the way. But you know, you just like you have to come to makeup. We have put on powder for, we have put on eyeliner. This black eyeliner and then your eyes go wipe off now.
Yeah. And just make sure you clean your face properly, like your eyebrows and you know,
people come to makeup, them lash full up of glue.
Yeah.
Full up of glue like it just tear off a lash. You don't understand?
Yeah, guys.
Guys, please try and cleanse your face properly.
Yeah.
Because it makes our job easier and it makes your service smoother when you come prepared for the service.
And faster too.
Yeah. I mean, if you dig out your eye, try to clean off your eye, that take out 10 minutes out of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if a client comes and she say, okay, I have such and such at XYZ time, and you give yourself, you say, alright, I'll do makeup in 45 minutes. You give yourself that 45 minutes and extra time for them to get from where you are to where they're going. We don't have that extra time to be cleaning your face, and then you're going to complain that you are late for your event when we had to sit within that time and clean out the face and clean out the lashes and do all of that. So prep your face before you come.
Hey guys, I'm gonna have to fix up on us.
So we can just get your makeup done and get you out of here in due time.
Yep.
Another thing, you guys like to come and say, oh, I brought my own foundation. 90% of the time, it's so much on the face.
And but not charging the less.
But not charging less. We bring your own foundation.
That's on you.
No, you have clients who bring their own full-on makeup and then you say, oh, charge less.
Yes, that's true.
No, baby,
no. And the service still stands.
same money.
And you decide that is on you.
Still same time, same procedure.
Yeah, 95% of the time the foundation doesn't match.
Don't match.
And when we say don't match, we mean far off don't match.
Yeah.
Not just one shade lighter.
And I brought my own lashes. When it looks some plastic shiny lash.
No, we're not doing that. No,
This are cheap.
no, me make sure I set that trend from in 2018. Remember my lash from my friend, the way my lash from my buy. So listen, I'm not doing it with the way. See, if I have a little cheap lash one about it, what's sale on a town, I'm not doing it with them. Sorry, it's not working. Because it's a throw off the look.
Yeah.
It's like your skin look like Kim Kardashian and your lash them look like
Boy, I mean, no.
some
Don't at all.
so them no sis, it can't work. The plastic look no.
No,
sorry.
and it's never curled. It's always straight.
Yeah.
The plastic lash them are always straight. No, I've had this experience with a client come and she said, I brought my own powder. I'm like, girl, she insisted that I use her powder and I'm like, okay, cool. When we're ready now, she gave me a Prisma powder. And if you don't know,
Get out of here.
Prisma. If you don't know Prisma, me used to use Prisma in a high school because that's a loan me could afford in high school for $120. Yeah, that's what me could afford. Vanishing cream and Prisma.
I don't know about Prisma.
You don't know Prisma powder?
Yeah, she probably too young.
Guys, I started out using black powder.
It was $100.
Girl.
Prisma girl, let me
Prisma is coming on very thin
One little black
sponge.
one.
One very thin sponge coming there. And no matter how you use it, your face white. No matter which shade you use, your face white.
They know what kind of powder.
Like baby bottom. With your lip gloss with the ball on the
Yes,
top.
the ball on the top. Girl,
I
you rub on your vanishing cream, you put on your Prisma, and then your lip gloss with the ball on the top. Yes, girl.
Wow.
Where were you?
I'm sorry. All I know is black.
Yeah, and she bought out her Prisma powder, and I was just like.
So what you say?
So wait till her.
No, I said
Orange.
Color correct.
We don't
No.
use it underneath
No,
her.
I like to use. Let me tell you, I use my powder because as a professional, me now go send you out there go post pan no it's on me do that.
I mean, I know, oh, forget the flawless to put your things, but don't forget the flawless to put my things.
You understand? They're just something. I mean, as a makeup artist, techniques is what is important. Even if you have a cheap product, the technique is what is important. But some of them formula here don't make no sense.
Yeah.
No matter how much technique you have, it don't make no sense. And I am not personally going to put that on your face and you post that and it's a mess and you say it's my work. I am not doing that. Pet peeve I have late clients. I can't do it. I can't do the late clients. Because you see, if I have a full day of clients and you come late, you bring
Everybody's time. Everybody's time.
Yeah. And then, when you're late, you come and you say, but I did my time this. I did my time this. So you put somebody now, your time gone, goods. Goods, your time gone. Or you come late and you have to look for her.
Oh, yeah.
I hate to be rushed.
Yeah.
No matter what I'm doing, lashes or because if I ever rush your face, you're gonna get one bitch up word.
No, but
And you want to be bitch up your face.
you can't give yourself. No, but that's why as makeup artists we set a certain time span to do the face because we know we work perfectly in that time. Because we set extra time. Like me now I know say I work in a 45 hours in a 45 minutes good and tell you say I need 20 minute phase. But now I do it because I know say my perfect or my best work is within that time. So you never come half hour late and then look at 15 minutes and tell me for work and your face.
You know what,
girl?
you know,
me tell you go put some vanishing cream.
You know what's annoying? Like you guys ever go on shoots and them try to make me do the face in a 30 minutes?
Hey.
No, first of all, as a start the phase, them say, I'm not done yet. You're not proud of go. Makeup, you're 5 minutes. I hate that. I'm like, but we just reach. We need to do our stuff yet.
Videographers, photographers, directors, we need to respect us as makeup artists. Give us time because let me tell you something. Because you see, if we rush the work and it not come out good, I want if I work that left for doing what about anything? What about anything? Like we don't need to give us our time. No, we can't do that, man.
And especially them dear 10 girl and our time we have like expected to tell us half hour.
Yeah, the tender. No, come on, man.
Or them tell us that to do your face and come and set, and when you come and set, we have to do over the entire face that wasn't budgeted to our package. You say, okay, you're responsible for the lead talent. So it's 2 girls and the artist or whatever it is. And when you look, the whole and the extras then come. Faces a mess and they don't want to pay extra for it.
But sorry, the whole of them would have their milk off on the shoot. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this segment of our video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shaph.
And beautiful_beginnings_24.
Shendy's Beauty Studio. And guys, if you avoid all these pet peeves,
Will be really good.
your appointments will be smooth.
So much smoother.
So
Yeah.
please.
Follow me on Instagram at Daniela Moore Beauty and on my personal page at Amore Lifestyle, and of course on YouTube at Amore Lifestyle.
Come on. You come on like what we've come in. That's good girl.
Follow me on YouTube at Beautiful Beginnings.
Yes, and on YouTube actually.
Everything will be linked down in the description bar below, and episodes to just part 2, part 3, or however much parts we do will be linked in the description bar below, so don't neglect it, go down there.
Yes,
So you know
remember
what
to
we
like, share, subscribe,
all that good
and
stuff
hit that bell.
to be notified every single time each of us upload.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye.